18,750, he got it there. 18,750, the buyer number is
1053.
1053, 1053, got it. What we got coming in now? We got to pick the pace up.
1787 to 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe with a 427 390 horse engine.
51,552. I get 51,552. Kenny, where you at? 52. I get 51,552. I get 51,552.